We are officially in the 500s. Halfway to 1,000, man. Halfway to 1,000. So, today's date is April 26th. The current time is 7:42 NT Meridian Eastern Standard Time. The current time is 7:42 a.m. EST. Hold on, man. So, we are going to have Cinque Shinto. No, we had Cinque Shinto yesterday. We're about to have Cinque Shinto. Yeah, let's go. Yes, sir. And Cinque Shinto, do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, listen. Hold on. Where them fans at? One time. Excuse me, I'm just waking up. I'm just waking up. Yikes. I think they need a little bit of stretching here. So, as you can tell, or as you saw, right? Let's ask ChatGPT, what's the purpose of life? To eat good food. Hey, we got some. Might as well, right? Kind of sort of celebrate. We are officially going over 500. We are in the breakfast. I had to choose. This is the comfort I chose. If I would have had those AI glasses, I wouldn't be able to have gotten, some spicy ruffles just now. The iced honey one. And the green tea. Alright. We don't need this right now. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Now I'm waiting for probably trying to rush through. But we ain't gotta do that right now. Yeah, we're officially in the 500s. I'm assuming that's how you say 501. But I could kind of sort of maybe. I could, yeah. I'm just gonna assume. I'm gonna trust myself. I'm just gonna trust myself. Let's get in there. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Wobble baby, yeah. Alright. I have a better one. That's why I'm really like showing this off. I have a way better one. This is just, at least it's burgundy. At least it's burgundy. I have an all metal one. Metal Gear Solid. Alright. We're gonna try this. Make it do what it do. What's the purpose of life? To eat good food. Humans didn't get to the top of the food chain to eat salad. Questo è soggetto. Let me just. Questo è soggetto. 501. Questo è soggetto. 501. Sono tuo capo, io sono Chief Jar. Benvenuti nella giungla dei graffiti. Questo è il pastore Rockstar. fake rockstar chat show. Pensieri Tangenziali, podcast with Cigar. This is the 501st. We're halfway to 1,000. We're over.